planning engineer. Okay, and I need jobs. This is very important information I'm going to share with you people. If I'm going to get jobs, it's going to take me on the job board area groups, all the planning engineer groups. This is also very important. Post anybody. I wake up this morning and any other person, recruiter, HR has posted on their wall that we need planning engineer. It will take me to that point. People, all those people who are working as a planning engineer, that will be very important for you people. Schools, courses, event is very important for the networking as well. Okay, event. A lot of people are going to complain that if we are going to connect with anybody, they have restriction on LinkedIn. It's very common practice. So if you are going to get into the events, a lot of people are offering you to connect with them. So event is that much important. As a planning engineer, these all things are very important. So right now I need actually jobs. So I can see that there is KN International Architect Abu Dhabi. I can change it as well. Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman. So let's see. I'm just starting to display you that this is my target area and company key responsibilities. If I'm going to apply for this job, this company is not going to, this is 8 to 10 years experience, no problem. I know that you people are fresher, but you are going to learn all these things. Okay, or we can have something like that. See, this is something, junior planning engineer kind of thing. I can assess that. So see, 3 to 5 years of experience, like minimum 3 years of experience. Okay, that's fine for me. Qualification. So what is ATS CV? If your CV is carrying all these things, then this company's website system, which company is this one? Site planning engineer, and they have not given this company. This is consultant company actually. Site technology actually. Site technology. It looks like some consultant company, and this senior human resource officer Nayab Minaz. So you can also connect with that person as well. Message. But before that, you should know that while learning this all course and training, so you should know how to develop your CV and what kind of things you need to understand. So these things you have to incorporate into your CV. Okay. So you are going to understand as well. So I will copy paste. Just give me a moment. This I'm going to copy paste. It's not like that I'm going to make, you are going to learn each and everything, don't worry about it. So then I'm going to open ChatGPT. This is my paid variant, but you can go on, I can't, I think where is the unpaid variant? I can't find here. Where it is. Okay, I will share the whiteboard how to make prompt, because don't go for the paid variant. This is going to be help with you with the unpaid variant as well, don't worry. So here, prompt. Realize to chat GPT that you are my professional ATS CV writer. Okay, generate my CV for job application for company job ad in which following job responsibilities are given. Okay, first I should make copy paste like this one, and then I should come here. I don't have that, I don't know how to switch this one, but same thing you can do there. Okay, so here chat GPT, this is the prompt. I can make, you can change even few things you can make. I will let you know that one as well. So now I'm going to get on the LinkedIn as well, and these are the job responsibilities. Okay, and I'm going to, okay, so see, this is actually paid variant, but okay, see, copy paste to the word format, copy paste, टू द वर्ड फॉर्मेट, मेक फॉर्मेटिंग, ओके, फॉर्मेटिंग तो आनी चाहिए ना वर्ड की, फॉर्मेटिंग करो। कोई इतना बड़ा एक्स नहीं डालना कि पिक्चर डाल रहे हो वो उस पे खड़े होकर बुर्ज खलीफा, नो नो नो, सिंपल इंजीनियर्स की सीवी। और कोई इतना फॉर्मेट नहीं कहीं से लेना कि आपका एटीएस सीवी एप्लीकेबल ही नहीं होगी उस पे, ठीक है। write everything on word format and convert this word format into pdf, always, don't forget it, word into pdf। और वो जो पीडीएफ की सीवी है ना, उसके टाइटल रखते हैं प्लानिंग इंजीनियर, साथ में स्लैश करके नाम लिख दें, सिंपल, ताकि किसी को भी जाए उसको पता लगे ये प्लानिंग इंजीनियर का सीवी है। ये दो चीजें बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट करनी है, ये इस तरीके से आपकी सीवी आ जाएगी। ओके, अच्छा, आप इसको कहेंगे राइट above CV with an other engaging strategy, सिंपल। ये आपको एक और तरीके से सीवी लिख देगा, ये पेड वर्जन है, बट ये आपकी सीवी एक और तरीके से लिख देगा सिंपली। ये देखो, आप इसको एक और तरीके से लिखो यार, राइट दिस सीवी फॉर जीसीसी टेम्पलेट, तो ये उस तरीके से आपको सीवी, इट्स वेरी सिंपल थिंग। हाँ, मैं ये कहता हूं कि आप इसको अनपेड वर्जन 3.5 मॉडल के साथ यूज करना शुरू करें। दैट 19-20 का फर्क है सीवी के मामले में, 19-20 का फर्क है। ये पेड वर्जन जो है, ये बाकी और चीजों के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, लेकिन आपको पेड वर्जन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है।